an approach to the warfare in the modern days is constantly evolving. One thing that has been proven by the recent conflicts between Russia, Ukraine, Israel, Gaza, and Israel, Iran is that modern day warfare is going to be dependent on technology. In technology also, unmanned aerial systems are going to play a big role in future warfare. This is the reason why Indian Army is also enhancing its capabilities. The force has recently published one RFI where they are looking for counter-drone high-power microwave. These are the devices, in fact, these are the systems that are employed for soft kill and hard kill for drones that are approaching towards your boundaries. Experts say that when we talk about unmanned aerial systems, so the big categories where we have drones like MQ-9B or different other drones in hail and mail category, then the tracking, tracing, and in fact destroying these drones is comparatively easy than when we talk about the drone category that is smaller in size. And this is the reason why countries across the globe are focusing on counter drone systems. As far as India is concerned, so India at this point in time is using multiple technologies and systems. We are using radars, guns, laser systems, and our own indigenous platforms as well. But now in the evolution, Indian Army is also looking for counter drone high power microwave that can be operated in high terrain, in rough terrain, and in any sort of temperature. Indian forces are also looking for a sort of integration where they can integrate the modern systems with their platforms. At this point in time, we know that how air defense of India is managed by both Indian Air Force and Indian Army. And this is the reason why these forces are looking for technologies like cadet, technologies like pre-fragmented ammunition, and also the modern available systems that can be used to counter drones. We know that how today, in fact, Russia has been attacked with a drone, and people are comparing this attack with 9/11 attack of America. Though it will be premature to draw any sort of conclusion, but one thing that is very clear with this sort of attack is that in the future warfare as well, players are going to use UAS and UAVs. And these UAS and UAVs have different sort of categories where kamikaze category is quite famous. India has got two adversaries in its neighborhood. One is China, one is Pakistan. And both the countries are focusing on UAVs and drones. While China already has several sort of categories in drones and UAVs, Pakistan is also ramping up its productions with the help of China. Pakistan is also focusing on private manufacturing of UAVs and drones. And this can be a big challenge for India. While Indian Army already has several sort of systems employed for these threats, Army is also focusing on enhancing its capabilities, and that's the reason why this RFI has been published recently.